Alright, so hi guys, in this video right now I'm going to show you the brand new unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This is the latest one from Apple with camera control button on their side. Obviously it's not shown here, but I'm going to show it to you later. Here's the box itself. It has gone from the black background of the box through to the white version of the box. I don't know why they did that, but hoping they stick onto their black version. I think it's much better fitting for the Pro models. Here is the side here, iPhone. By the way, this is the desert titanium color. iPhone on the other side. As you can see here, iPhone 16 Pro Max designed by Apple in California. This is assembled in China, but other iPhones are assembled in India. Some of them are in India. But mine assembled in China. Then that's fine. And 16 Pro Max Desert Titanium. This is the 256GB version model A3296 or 3295, if I'm not mistaken. It's on the barcode here. Anyway, let's open this thing up. Moment of truth. Let's open this thing here with the pull tab here. Pull tab. Yeah. Sorry about that. And the other pull tab. Let's go. 2 pull tabs removed. Here it is, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in its glory. Fresh, and this is the first time I unboxed this, so bear with me. Oh, there we go. Here it is. Desert Titanium 16 Pro Max. Desert Titanium 16 Pro Max here. Upgraded cameras, 48 megapixel. I think 48 megapixels is the telephoto, but correct me if I'm wrong in the video description. Here's the box again on the other side of the box. Lift it up. Let's lift it up. Here it is. Let's remove the peel cover for the screen, as you can see. But before that, here is the action button, the volume rockers, and the new camera control button. Even though Apple refuses this to call it a button, but it's obviously a button, and it's the power button itself. And when you remove the screen protector, here it is. Voila, the iPhone 16 Pro Max in its glory. And yep, there we go. Going to put it back on the side here for a bit here. And the inclusions, there are sadly no Apple stickers for the first time ever, and the 16 no Apple stickers. I think you can request it to the Apple Store. So here's the Type-C to Type-C cable, as you can see, and of course the SIM ejector tool, and the pamphlets. iPhone pamphlet here, obviously. Oh come on, I can't remove that. Okay, there you go. And here is the iPhone pamphlet here, of course. Warranty, registration manuals, and regulatory informations for our other countries. And that's it. No stickers, no power bricks, of course. Typical Apple. But either way, that's it for the 16 Pro Max in Desert Titanium color. I'm going to set this up, and yeah, this is my new phone. I'm going to upgrade from the 12 Pro Max, and it is quite a substantial upgrade for me. Alright, so that's it for this unboxing video. If you have comments and suggestions, comment down below. If you like it, like it. If you dislike the video, it's fine. And yeah, subscribe for more, and see you again in the next video. Bye bye.